Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Ankita and Kunjwal, and my name is Kunj Patel and I am 10 years old, and today I am going to show you one super easy experiment to do at home. So for that we only required sanitizer. I have already filled the plate with sanitizer, and second you need foam cream or shaving cream. Now I am going to put the shaving cream and you see what happens. Did you see it melts very fast? So you can see it melts very fast. Observe the reaction very carefully. Now I am going to spray. The sanitizer is not pure, that's why it's taking time. So please try this experiment at home and you are really gonna enjoy it. And that's for it today, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Bye.